How to log in to Ticketmaster account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Ticketmaster account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ticketmaster.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Ticketmaster. Now, tap on the Sign In or Register option you see at the top right of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of Ticketmaster. So, go ahead and enter your email address and your password in the text boxes you see there. And if you want the device to remember your login credentials, then tap on the Remember Me checkbox. Also, if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option there and recover your password and log in further. Tap on the Sign In button and with this, you will be successfully logged in to Ticketmaster account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.